Hi, it's Ken here, and I'm just going to show you how we can book lessons, online classes, English classes with myself. I've set up this new system, so hopefully it's going to be much easier for you to come along and to start booking classes, group conversation classes with myself. So if you go to ajarnken.com, which is the website, and this is the main front page. Now, you'll see down the bottom here, we've got English conversation classes morning and evening at 11 AM and 6 PM UK time. Now, they're going to be small groups, and we have some options here. We've got the full schedule, and we've got morning classes, evening classes, or you can choose your days. We've got Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So it's really easy for you to choose which ones you want to go for. So let's click for the latest lesson schedule. So we click on this. This will take you to the main page that we have all the classes. Now, as you can see here, we've got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for this week. And each class is £6.97 and it runs for 1 hour. Now, you can see the classes are quite small. We have a maximum of 6 students only. Now, when you get to here, you'll see this little box, and if you want to join the classes, you just click which classes you want to join. You can click on them all, you can click one, entirely up to yourself. And once you've chosen the classes, you can just click Add to Cart here. And this will take you on to the payment page, the checkout page. This is just confirming all the classes that you have decided to join. And to join the classes, I just need you to make an account here, just for us when we confirm your payment. So if you're a new user, put in your username, password, email, your first name, where you come from, what country and what city. And then the payment information. If you have a discount code, you can put it in here. And 41.82, this is for all the classes here. Now, there's 2 payment methods. We've got Stripe and we have got PayPal. So up to you which one you want to choose. So once all this is completed, you can just click Process Registration, and that will take you, it will process your payment, and it will take you to a thank you page. And the thank you page will be here. Just thanks for registering at the classes. I sent you an email. Please check it. You've received it. I look forward to seeing you at the classes. Now, please check your email once you have registered, and from there you will get the link for the classes. The classes are all done on Zoom, and so check your link. There'll be an email sent out immediately. There'll be 2 emails sent out just shortly before the lessons, just to confirm, just to remind you again with the link for the lessons. Now, once you have decided you join, you can come back to the website and you'll see here account and my account. You can just double check your lessons, which ones you've registered for. So you sign in, and if you go to my classes, you will see here your registration history. There's no registration records at the moment for myself, but on here will be your class, every class that you have registered for. So that's how to book the classes with myself, the English conversation classes. Hopefully, I shall see you at one of the classes. If you've got any questions, then please feel free to get in touch. Bye for now.